we have studied about why India was an underdeveloped economy and why it has become a developing economy. But many people are of the view that India is also a mixed economy. Now, first of all, what do we mean by a mixed economy? What mixture are we talking about? We are talking about that it has the private players and the government. Both play an important role in our economy. Let us emphasize on this. India is a mixed economy because there is private ownership of means of production. Means of production now, what are the means of production? Means of production are the factors of production. Land, labor, capital and entrepreneur. There is private ownership of these factors of production. Important role of market mechanism. Prices and demand and everything is determined by the market mechanism. It is on the basis of demand and supply. If the demand of a product is more, then the supply is also taken into, the supply is according to the demand and the price is also set according to the market forces. Growth of monopoly houses. We see big business houses. There are big business houses which control the economy. Like we talk about Tata, Reliance and Birla and all these. So it is dominated by these big business houses, or there is a monopoly. Now, till now we were talking about the private ownership, private part of the economy, that these things are under the control of private hands. Now, presence of large public sector along with free enterprise. Now, along with the private sector, an equally strong public sector also exists. There are many services which are still in the hands of government and they are like public sector units. Like in many states, still the electricity is in the hands of government. They are not, private players are not allowed in it. Similarly, in gas and petroleum, only a small section has been privatized and otherwise the large chunk is under the control of government. And we are a mixed economy because economic goals are achieved by the way of economic planning, which is done by the government in our country. Economic goals are set which are achieved by in a planned way by the government. So we are a mixed economy because private players and public enterprises both play an important role. The private holding is also there along with the public holding. So we are also known as a mixed economy. So we can conclude that India was an underdeveloped economy, but it has progressed and it has moved in the direction of development and now it is a developing economy.